Chanel's Fall Winter 2025 collection has just launched, so of course I'm taking you guys shopping with me. I'm going to try to include as many prices as possible of all items, ready to wear, bags, shoes, everything. So now let's go shopping. And now this was what I was the most excited to see from this collection, the pearl heel shoes. And they only had the boots available and only in one size, the rest had sold out. I was really impressed with the quality of the heel, like the pearl didn't really feel cheap, it didn't feel plasticky, it actually felt like a pearl. I don't know how Chanel did it, but yeah, all of the sizes are sold out. I am currently on the waiting list for the shoes, you know, not the boots, but the shoes. So wish me luck, fingers crossed, because this is a true collector's piece, absolutely beautiful. Here we have yet another heartbreak because I completely fell for these pink tweed Chanel ballet flats. I think that this was just the perfect shade of pink. They're tweed, they're very classic Chanel, and they're just so pretty, and I absolutely loved the way they look together with my bag. And even with my like little bag charm, I think that brown and pink complements each other beautifully. But unfortunately, they didn't have my size. Guys, I had such bad luck today with sizes. So yeah, this is another list that I'm on, and let's keep our fingers crossed. this is one of those bags that I picked up because I thought the top handle was interesting, but I didn't really consider it. However, now that I'm looking back, I actually think this is one of my favorites because it is so interesting and so different, and the top handle was just stunning. Chanel is staying on trend, and they had a lot of reds and burgundies. I think that the burgundies in particular were absolutely beautiful. However, if you do like reds, then this is definitely the collection for you. Also tried on this denim bag, and this was a very interesting piece. I feel like it looks like a pouch with cargo pockets, if that makes sense. I love the back pocket with the magnetic closure. That was really cool. And then you have a zip closure. It's kind of like a tote but shaped like a pouch, and then has the cargo style details, and it's in denim. I also tried it on in leather in the beginning of the video, and I know you're going to ask me if you can wear this bag as a crossbody bag, and unfortunately you can't, but still, this was a very interesting piece. And here we have the hard bag. They actually had quite a few color options: black, baby blue. I also saw silver, and I'm pretty sure there were also other colors. So if you missed out, then this is your chance. One of my favorite things to notice with Chanel's ready-to-wear pieces are, of course, the buttons. And I feel like for this collection, they had them very specific with the little gold bow and then the teeniest, tiniest little CC logo beneath it. And almost all of the ready-to-wear pieces had these buttons. It was definitely a pattern, so I feel like this collection, even in the future, is going to be very recognizable because of the buttons. So I tried on this cardigan and I almost feel like it looks like a very casual style blazer when put on, except of course that it's half the price. But my problem with this cardigan was the buttons, because they were like sun-shaped, so they kept getting stuck inside of the cardigan. So unfortunately that was a no. Okay, so for some reason I keep getting drawn back to this bag. Am I crazy, or is this actually really cute? And I feel like this could be a great alternative to a wallet on chain because it's also flat, and I feel like it would be very easy to pack or put in a tote bag whenever you travel, except that it looks a little bit more like a bag. So I feel like this is something that I should probably put on my wish list. And yes, here I am comparing the size with my friend's mini Kelly. And then we have the Vanity, which I feel like is also a great alternative to a wallet on chain. And yes, I am basically looking for something that would function like a wallet on chain, but is not a wallet on chain. So I think that this is also a great alternative. However, my problem with this particular Vanity bag is that you need both hands to open it. But it looks cute, so maybe it's worth the hassle. I don't know, guys. Yes, here I am once again comparing the sizes with the mini Kelly. Which one do you think is cuter, the Vanity or the 31? Let me know in the comments. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. As always, let me know your favorites and least favorites in the comment section below and what you thought of this collection in general. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again soon and stay safe everyone.